Hi, welcome back. Our tail end feature is dedicated to our feline friends. You know, as we age, it's pretty well known that at one point we're probably going to have some joint pain. Same thing goes with our senior dogs. They tend to have joint problems. But when it comes to our cats, it's tough to diagnose because they tend to hide their signs of pain. It's all part of their survival instincts.
Ren's most memorable moment was when he walked across a balcony on our second floor and fell and bounced a couple times as he fell, and he survived.
This 11-year-old snowshoe feline lives up to the superstition, cats have 9 lives. That's why when Ren started having a hard time jumping up and down and stopped playing with toys, his human, Liz Patel, wanted to find out what was happening to her senior furry friend.
I actually rescued Ren. Ren has always been with me for the last 11 years. And he's been very important to me because he is so sweet and had kind of turned me into more of a cat person.
All right, here we go.
Like people, cats are living longer than ever. Did you know cats age about 7 times faster than us? So in human years, Ren is actually 70 years old. Just like us, this increased longevity means the increased risk of having to deal with heart disease, cancer, diabetes, obesity, and joint health problems.
Ren's discomfort is centered in the elbow joints, these joints here, the hock joints, which are equivalent to our ankle joints, and also the hip joints.
You can clearly see on these x-rays why Ren is having a hard time being active these days. Simply all the cartilage, his natural shock absorber, which normally cushions his elbow joint, is worn away.
We have found that 92% of all cats probably have degenerative joint disease somewhere in the body. That's a huge number of cats, and probably about half of those have significant pain associated with that.
For the past 15 years, Dr. Duncan Lascelles has dedicated his research to pain management and helping pets battling joint health conditions and mobility challenges.
We think that maybe one of the reasons so many cats suffer from degenerative joint disease is that they become overweight early on in life. There are a number of treatment options for painful degenerative joint disease in cats. For example, dietary modulation, dietary supplements, and drugs. One of the more common therapies that we start with are dietary supplements.
Studies show that a joint health supplement that contains the combination of glucosamine, chondroitin sulfate, and avocado soybean unsaponifiables, or ASU for short, work together to help protect the joint and may prevent the breakdown of cartilage.
Treat?
As for Ren, he's now helping veterinarians and his feline friends. He's part of a study testing the potential pain-relieving benefits of joint health supplements.
It's an extremely rewarding part of veterinary medicine to take someone's pet, like Ren, an 11-year-old snowshoe who's having trouble moving around the house because of painful joints, and to be able to give that cat more mobility and improved quality of life is extremely satisfying.
My hope is that as he gets older, we can keep him the most comfortable that we can. This is probably one of the most passionate cats. He's very sweet. He wants to be with you all the time and spread his love.
It's always hard seeing our furry friends get old. The key thing is work with your veterinarian on some management tips and also try some simple things like an orthopedic bed or a low-sided litter tray. These things are vital when it comes to improving your cat's quality of life. Well, that's all the time we have left this week. Remember, it's your life, live it, and live it well. We'll see you next week.